In this video, you'll learn how to add a payment gateway in hosting your website builder using WooCommerce. By the end, you'll have one or more payment options connected so customers can actually pay you at checkout. First, make sure you're logged into your website dashboard and that WooCommerce is already installed and active. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the option labeled WooCommerce, then hover over it or click it to expand its options. From there, click on Settings. This is where all the core store configurations live, including your payment methods, taxes, shipping, and more. When the settings page opens, look along the top for the tab labeled Payments and click on it. This tab is dedicated entirely to how you accept money from customers. Give the page a moment to load and you'll see a list of payment methods that WooCommerce has already prepared for you. You'll typically see options like Stripe or WooPayments, PayPal, direct bank transfer, and cash on delivery. You don't need to use all of them. Instead, think about how your customers will want to pay and choose the ones that best match your business. If you want to accept credit and debit cards, as well as Apple Pay or Google Pay, Stripe or WooPayments is usually the best choice. This is a modern, flexible solution that works well for most online stores. Keep in mind that you'll need an account with that provider and you may need to verify your business details with them. If many of your customers prefer using PayPal, or if you already have a PayPal business account set up, you can choose the PayPal option. This lets customers pay using their PayPal balance, connected cards, or bank accounts, and it can increase trust, especially in regions where PayPal is well known. Direct bank transfer is ideal for manual, higher value, or business-to-business sales, where clients might prefer to transfer funds directly rather than using a card. This method usually won't confirm payment automatically, so be prepared to manually check your bank and mark orders as paid inside WooCommerce. Cash on delivery is useful if you offer local delivery or in-person services where the customer pays when they receive the product or service. It's very straightforward, but you'll want to be sure it fits your logistics and that you're comfortable handling cash or offline payments. Once you've decided which payment method you want to set up first, look to the right side of that option. You'll see a button labeled either Finish Setup or Manage. Click that button for the gateway you've chosen. WooCommerce will then guide you through the specific setup process. For gateways like Stripe or PayPal, you'll usually be redirected to a secure page where you log into your account with that provider. There, you'll authorize the connection between your payment account and your WooCommerce store. Follow the prompts, confirm any required details, and continue until you're brought back to your site. After you complete the connection, double check that the payment method is enabled and, if possible, run a small test checkout to make sure everything works smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully added a payment gateway to your hosting a website builder store using WooCommerce.